Hey everyone, welcome to Millennium Computers. Today I'm going to give you a quick tour and introduction to FAST Journal Vouchers. Now FAST JV allows for the decentralized creation of web-based journal vouchers, or JVs, which can then be sent in for approval from all the necessary stakeholders either inside or outside central accounting. Now each journal voucher allows for an unlimited number of transactions to be entered or even imported from an Excel spreadsheet, and can then be set up as a single one-time journal, a recurring journal based on dates, or an auto-reversing journal for accruals at year-end. Let me give you a quick tour of our Quick Launch tab. On the page, it allows me a quick and easy shortcut to create a new document. I can open all my current in-progress documents. These are the documents that I've started but haven't yet completed or submitted for approval. Here's a list of documents requiring my approval. That means these have been sent to me from another user on campus for initial approval. Now you can also add as many layers of approval or authentication as you need to. You can have multi-layers like local approval at the department level and then final approval in central accounting. We can also automate notifications either via email or through our handy-dandy notifications button embedded right in the application. And all approval history and comments are tracked in one central place. Once it's approved, that journal is electronically submitted into your ERP for final processing. Let's take a quick look at a document that I've already begun. Here's a sample of a basic document. Notice I can either set this up as a single, one-time only, auto-reversing, or recurring entry. I can add multiple details to my header record, add as many accounting lines as I'd like to, and I can even include additional documents if I'd like to include an attachment like a PDF, Excel, JPEG, or Word document. I can also include free text document notes to add detail and context to the approver or approvers who'll be taking a look at this next. I can review the history, download this journal to PDF or Excel, cancel, copy, and import from Excel. This can be a real time saver if I'm importing hundreds of lines at a time. It's going to save duplication of efforts on the data entry side and also ideally eliminate or reduce that human error. Once my document is in balance, I can submit for approval. And then I have a few options. I can search for another employee and send it directly to that person to take a look. I can send it to a department, or I can send it to central approval. Central approval is that final stop where it can be finally approved and rolled into the ERP with a simple push of a button. We also have an easy to use, easy to understand JV status report. Now the report can be read either centrally as a master user to take a look at all journal vouchers in the system at any time. It can also be read by decentralized end users, and then various levels of security are applied in terms of what I'm able to see. Generally speaking, I'm only able to see journal vouchers that I've created or that were sent to me for approval. The transaction lines support row-level security and are validated on entry. That means as a decentralized end user, I can only enter coding that I explicitly have access to in the system. Based on my status report, I'm able to drill down to the journal voucher itself, tag different journal entries as favorites. I can download the PDF, review or add supporting documents or attachments, and even view details like effective date, reversal date, and posted date. I hope this has been a helpful, brief introduction to FAST Journal Vouchers. We want to eliminate as much of the manual process as possible and automate some of that key workflow. Just think, no more stacks of journal entries sitting on your desk waiting for central input and approval. You can empower your decentralized end users to create and submit the journal entries and have them send directly to central for approval, rejection, modification, and final posting. And of course, we also support drill down functionality to the document level and even to the external documents as attachments to be reviewed later in FAST Finance reporting. If this has piqued your interest just a little, please be sure to reach out, and we'd be pleased to set up a demo for your department or institution to learn more about FAST Journal Vouchers and how it might work for you.